So today I'm here with slightly different kind of video. So we're here today with an unboxing video. So these are the type of videos that I would personally search for when I'm on YouTube, just to see what PR packages other bloggers and other influencers are getting. So I thought that, you guys might want to see something like this. I don't know, let me know in the comments below if you enjoy this type of video so I can film more. But anyway, these things, I just gathered them in a few days worth of time, and usually, guys, this is really hard for me because I usually open packages like right away. Like the guy drops it off at the front, and like without him even leaving yet, I rip it open because it's like Christmas for me whenever I receive anything. So yeah, this is like, we're gonna open it together, so you're gonna get all of my excitement and everything like in real time. So first we have something called Dermablend Professional. So it looks like this. Okay, so powerful makeup for all dermatologists created. Cool. Okay, so there's the Instagrip Jelly Primer. This is the Dermablend Power Setter 2-in-1. Oh my god, it's like a makeup setting spray. That's cool because I have super oily skin and like I need something like this. Okay, if by the end of this video I'm oily, then, don't get it. This is the Makeup Dissolver. Cool, powerful makeup remover. I'll be trying this soon. Oh, and by the way, if you guys see anything that you're interested in, I think someone's at the door. Okay, I'll be right back, but if you see something that you're interested in and you want me to do a review on it, let me know in the comments below and I will be sure to do a review for you guys. But now I'm gonna go open the door because I think we got something else. Okay, so we just got this, like hot off the press. This just arrived at my door, and we're just gonna open this. This is from Shiseido. This is why my room is so messy, you guys, all the time. There's a letter. Let's see what it says. Karina, introducing the new fragrance Narciso Eau de Parfum Rouge. I hope you enjoy as much as we do. Thank you so much, Shiseido team. I will be trying it out live right now. Open it. What's your favorite part about getting presents? Or not presents, like getting like packages. I feel like mine would definitely be opening them. It's like a surprise. It's like your birthday. It looks like nail polish, doesn't it? Okay. Oh my god! It smells really nice. It smells kind of like woodsy, floral, something that reminds me of fall leaves. Oh my god, it gives me that warm feeling. Thank you so much, Shiseido. Alright, so next we have Urban Decay. It looks like when I opened it, this is the Born to Run. Okay, so this is the Born to Run palette. Ooh, nice shades. I don't know if you guys can see it, but I feel like this is very fall appropriate. Like all the colors. Oh my god. Again, so if you want me to do a review on the palette or these, oh my god, these pencils, okay, are literally like my go-to pencils. I have 10 of these. I think I have like 5 blacks and then 5 dark browns, and they're what I use to line my eyes every day. So thank you so much, Urban Decay. There's another spray, and I think these are lipsticks. This is a very heavy, oh my god, I don't know what it is. Okay, so this is the Nude by Nature. I'm guessing it's a palette. Okay, there's a USB. What is this? Okay, let's open it. Oh my god! Chaos! That's why it's so heavy, because there's like a whole mirror attached to it. Oh, and there's like... Wow! Okay. This is the brand Nude by Nature. So the mirror that you saw, it comes with LED lights, and this is what you use to charge the mirror. Very cool, you can actually turn it on or off. As for the actual products, we have some lip glosses here, some lipstick, and some liners. And if you can tell by what I'm wearing on my lip today, I love these kind of like mauve-y nudie type of shades, especially for fall. So I feel like all of these are perfect for me. They're like just made for me. This is like, I would definitely try this one for fall because I feel like it's a bit darker. So yeah, I can't wait to do like a swatch video? Makeup review video. Review with swatches. I'm so new to this. This is awesome. Thank you so much, Nude by Nature. Next, we have something from Too Faced. I know because of the giant Too Faced sticker all over them. I loved Too Faced, by the way. Like, I don't know if you saw that once in my Instagram story or IGTV. I actually, so dangerous. I actually filmed me unboxing a whole 30 shades of foundation from Too Faced. They're just so awesome. I actually met the team in person when they're here in Toronto, and they're just so down to earth, the sweetest gals you'll ever meet. So thank you so much for sending me this. I don't know what's in here, but let's see. Happy 20th birthday. It's your birthday? I can't believe you've been around for 20 years? That can't be right. Too Faced has been around for 20 years?
Yes.
That's crazy. Okay, I hope it's a cake. I hope it's like edible. We're still in the dark. Bunch of pink tassels. Oh my god, it's gonna get so crazy. My room is gonna get so crazy. So don't be fooled, you guys. If you see any YouTuber or Instagrammer's bedroom looking like spotless clean, that is not the reality that they're living in. Because, like, look at this. I'll show you what it looks like after. But anyway, so back to Too Faced. This is so cute. Oh my god. They sent me a bunch of lipstick. Okay, metallic sparkle lipstick. Oh, it's so cute. It's so cute, you guys. Oh my god. It's so sparkly. It doesn't smell like anything, which is good. So they sent me some lipsticks and better than sex. I never thought I would have said those 3 words on camera, but I did. It's better than sex. And this is the mascara that I've religiously used for such a long time, you guys. I was using this one and the Benefit, they're real. And this one is my new favorite because, oh my god, it's so sparkly. Because I'll show you guys, like, I'm wearing falsies today, so I can't really show you the before and after. But if you go on my IG, you'll see this is my favorite mascara. And it's called Better Than Sex, so you know it's good. Okay, and then this is a palette. What's it called? Then and Now. So it's an eyeshadow palette. Let's see what it looks like when you open it. I'm in love. It's so sparkly and it's pink. It's like they know me. This is what it looks like when I open it. Again, really, really pretty colors, especially for fall. Like, look how pretty this one is. Glitter donut. Alright, so now we're doing the last package, and I'm kind of sad, but you know, I'm really grateful at the same time, but I'm kind of sad that this is gonna come to an end. Okay, so it says, Karina, I hope you enjoy these products from luxury skincare brand Amaro Visa. I don't know if I'm pronouncing this right, but I hope I am. Amaro Visa. I'll link everything down below so you can check them out. This is a thermal cleansing balm. I've never heard of this brand actually. Have you guys heard of this brand? Okay, so came with like a little loofah kind of thing. Looks like this. Let me see. So you're supposed to use it as a facial cleanser, I'm guessing. It smells really like fresh. It smells like the earth. I cannot wait to use this. You know how like I always have super oily skin, and I'm always on the lookout for stuff that like minimizes my pores and like make me feel not too oily, especially in the summer. This wraps so tightly. Oh, they're from Budapest. So this is a mist. It's called Queen of Hungary. Like not Hungary, like Hungary. One more thing in here. What is this? Oh, okay, so it tells me what it is. The mist is a neroli and rose scented face mist for instant skin hydration. Cool, hydration. And this. It's a plate. I guess this is like a cool kind of like plate thing that you can put in your bathroom, and you can just like put all your skincare products on there. That was way too loud. Like this. Mel's laughing at me. It's fine.
so aggressive.
I'm usually quite gentle, you know, I'm like a dainty girl. But when it comes to stuff I'm really excited about, yeah, like, okay, come on, you need strength to open stuff like this. This is Acid Fix. It smells clean, again, like very green. Let's see what that one does. Okay, so that is a multi-purpose acid treatment that results in a radiant complexion. So this brand can be found in Nordstrom, Four Seasons, and Sephora.ca. So if you guys know of this brand, let me know like what your favorite product is. And if you want me to do like a review on them because you, like me, are just introduced to them and you want to know more, feel free to let me know in the comments below. Okay guys, so that's it. That was my first unboxing haul, kind of. And I really enjoyed it. Surprisingly, I really enjoyed it because it was kind of like sharing, like opening presents and sharing it with you guys. I will see you in my next video. Bye! Hi guys, it's Karina from the future. As you can see, I completely forgot to film this segment the other day when I was filming my unboxing video, the one you're watching right now, but I wanted to give one of you guys a chance to win this palette. This is the Nude by Nature palette, and it's the exact same one that I got, so you guys will have a chance to receive this and play around with the makeup and see what you guys like. So again, there's a light up mirror and whole drawer of goodies. Check this out, come on, like, and all the colors are so mauvey, like I feel like they're so fall appropriate. So the giveaway rules are super simple. All you need to do is to subscribe to me on YouTube, give this video a thumbs up, follow me on Instagram, and leave me a comment down below on what type of videos you would want to see next from me. And the giveaway is open internationally to everyone who has internet or who has seen this video. Join, guys!